So it's action day, it's the big day. We're just heading off to meet up with a driver. I think this is him here speaking of Devil, and we're doing a full day tour of Nusa Penida, hitting up all the sites. Morning, Piggy. Alright, an hour of bumpy driving later. That was alright, it was about half an hour on tarmac roads, and then the second half an hour is about the last 10 kilometres. The roads are just chaos, I've never seen anything like it. But we knew that was coming, so it's okay. First stop, we're at Angel's Billabong and Broken Beach, and we're going to go and have a quick dip if we've got time for it and if the tides are right, because apparently you can only swim if it is at low tide, because the sea is just chaos every single other time and you'll get killed basically, so fingers crossed it's low tide. So yeah, the waves were a bit too bumpy for the Angel Billabong, as you can probably see. I think the tide's coming back in, which pushes all the swells in, and if you jump down into that infinity pool and one of these big waves hit you, there's nothing stopping you from getting scrapped along the big jaggy rocks that are along the side of it. So,
and you possibly get pulled back out to sea.
Yeah, exactly. So I do not recommend it unless it's perfectly safe and there's no big waves. Don't recommend swimming there, but it is stunning even just to see it though. It's this naturally formed infinity pool. So you've got you know, the water's overlooking the sea, and it's really incredible. I've never really seen anything like it.
Sit and watch those waves all day.
Yeah. And the next stop we're going to is Broken Beach, which I'm very excited about because I've seen pictures of it all the time, but I'm looking forward to actually seeing what it looks like in person. So Broken Beach, what do you think about it?
I love it.
It's a lot bigger than I actually was expecting. In the pictures it looks tiny, but it is huge. It must be about 200 or 300 metres across, and you do not want to fall down there because the waves are absolute chaos.
I don't think there'd be any way of getting back out either.
No, I don't think so. You need to swim out that way.
I think it looks really different to how I've seen it in photos. I did not expect it to look how it does here.
But yeah, it's beautiful. The water's so blue, and yeah, we're loving it. So we're just heading around Broken Beach and taking all of the photos that we could do. Our guide was really good. He's actually taken us around different spots we've never actually seen before. And there's so many different hidden spots kicking about around here. I mean, the entire place is just one big photographer's daydream. It is so incredibly beautiful just everywhere you go. And it's so easy to actually get some photos. We're heading back now. The next stop we're heading to is Kelingking Beach. We're going to get some food first because it's what, coming up to 10 o'clock, 9:30, and we've still not eaten yet, so we're starving. So we've got tempeh, I'm sold.
Oh, I know. What are you getting?
Alright, next stop we just got to is Kelingking Beach. It was about an hour and a half's drive. That was about an hour, and most of that was sitting still because you're just perpetually fighting against traffic. We're glad we left first thing in the morning because it seems the Bali boats get in probably about 8, and then after that it's just madness everywhere. Like this was empty before and now it was just full of people. So try and get up nice and early if you're going to do it. So yeah, we got to the famous T-Rex head spot. Got a bit disappointed. As usual, Instagram's a liar. There's a big barrier in front of the spot where usually people sit on the edge of the cliff. They obviously jump over the barrier and put themselves and everyone else in danger. If you're coming to T-Rex head, just don't do it. It's not worth it. Remember, don't be another statistic in a wall of fame of Instagram deaths. Don't be another reason that people don't respect content creators, you know, because we're putting ourselves in positions that are just influential to vulnerable people and dangerous. So just don't do it. What we're doing now is there's another secret spot just further around the mountain. You get a better view of the T-Rex head and it looked a lot quieter, so we're going to head round, check that out and see if we can get any more shots from over that side. So it's Kelingking Beach done. We're on our way now, trying to hit the eastern coast of Penida and check out this Rumah Pohen Treehouse, which is all over Instagram as well. And try and check out Diamond Beach if we've got time for that as well. It was 10,000 per person entry, which is a bit lower than the other ones, but hopefully the views are going to be worth it. And then after that, Diamond Beach is right there, so we're going to go and check Diamond Beach out straight. Look at that view. Wow. Yeah, so basically for you guys that don't know, that is it's a famous tree house that was again made famous thanks to Instagram. It's an Airbnb right on the cliff overlooking Diamond Beach, and it's got to be one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen in my life. The water is so blue, and yeah, basically you can pay an entrance fee of 10,000 rupiah, head down and snap as many pictures as you like. I'm pretty sure there was a couple in it actually. When we were taking pictures, they were looking at us rather disdainfully, because I think we're intruding a bit in our personal space. But if you're going to see somewhere that beautiful, you need to be open for people coming and appreciating it as well. You don't own it, so highly recommend hitting up this spot if you're coming to Penida. And yeah, actually right up from the treehouse you've got the 1,000 Islands Viewpoint, which gives you incredible views of the, well, diamond coloured water, the turquoise blue water of Diamond Beach. I think we're going to try and go and hit that up next, but I mean the views I've seen so far have been absolutely so worth that 10,000 rupiah per person. It's unbelievable how much beauty there is around here. Yeah, Nusa Penida has surpassed all of our expectations. I mean, the photos you see online do not do it justice, like, at all. The stories that you hear don't do the roads justice because they're absolute chaos, and it's just such a beautiful place to be. And yeah, we can't wait to come back. But until next time, Nusa Penida, we're going to say goodbye, peace out, because we're going home and to sleep.
Meow. Hello, darling. You're a teeny doodly. You're so teeny.
That's like the smallest cat I've ever seen.
And her best friend is jealous.
Oh.
You have to.